Hello everyone, this is Rita from the FOSHAN Dession packaging machinery. Today I will introduce the liquid packing machine for you. This is the finished product. This machine is pack 100 ml of the fruit juice. It's very full and very. This machine consists of two parts. The first part is the liquid pump. You can direct put the tube on your tank, on your liquid tank, and the liquid pump will automatically feed the liquid into the measuring device, and this parameter we already set according to your demand, and you don't need to change it. And the second part is the filling device, filling and sealing part. This is the film holder. We have the film install video for you later. And when the liquid pump measuring the liquid will automatically filling into the back former. And we'll fill. This is the vertical sealing part, and this is the horizontal sealing. And if you have different back size, you can screw the, you can lose the screw, and it will easy to change the back former. This is the data printer. You need to open the control like this, and the light will be on. The third part is the touch screen. The standard language is Chinese and English, and if you want to add other language, we can customize for you. And all the parameters we all set for you. And this is output setting. This is the create output. You can clean it, and this is the speed. And when you use the machine, you can open the filling, and the data printer, open it, and the machine will work. Then you this is the temperature control. This is the setting. The green number is the setting temperature. The temperature is according to your pack film, and we already set for you. And you can adjust the temperature according to your film material. The red number is the real temperature. We need to wait the red number reach the green number. Then the machine will work. And this is the power. Like this is the start and stop button. This is the emergency button. And when you receive the machine, you need to connect the power here, and we can change the type to your local type. And then you need to connect the air compressor. If you need the machine cut by the air sensor, you can open this function, and the sensor device is here. The red light will on, and this will automatically sensor the air sensor, and the machine will cut by the sensor, and the finished product will be the same picture. We can open the data printing and the filling device, and you can see the temperature. The real temperature is reach the setting temperature. Then I can press this button, the machine will work. 到这边，照一下我啊，到这里。And this is the finished product. It's very full. If you are interested in the liquid packing machine, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.